Tired of manually entering bank transactions into Xero? Wish there was a magical way to get all that data flowing smoothly? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into whether Xero can automatically import your bank transactions, and if so, how it all works. Let's face it, manually entering bank transactions into any accounting software is a tedious and time-consuming task. It's prone to errors, and frankly, who has the time for that? Thankfully, in today's digital age, automation is key. So, does Xero offer this magical solution? The short answer is yes. Xero has a robust system for importing bank transactions, and we're about to break it all down. Key features of bank imports in Xero. Bank feeds. This is the bread and butter of Xero's bank imports. Think of bank feeds as digital pipelines connecting your bank accounts directly to your Xero account. Once connected, Xero automatically fetches transaction data from your bank, including dates, amounts, descriptions, and often even categorizes them. This real-time data flow gives you an up-to-date picture of your cash flow and helps you stay on top of your finances. Supported banks. Xero supports a wide range of banks worldwide. Simply search for your bank within Xero, and if it's supported, the connection process is usually straightforward. Xero is constantly expanding its list of supported banks, so check for updates regularly. Matching rules. Xero utilizes powerful matching rules to automatically reconcile transactions. You can create rules that match incoming transactions based on various criteria, such as amount, description keywords, and even the name of the payee. This significantly speeds up the reconciliation process and reduces the risk of errors. Bank statements. If your bank doesn't offer direct feeds, you can still import transactions using bank statements. Xero provides templates for importing statement files in various formats, like CSV or OFX. While this method requires a bit more manual effort, it still saves time compared to manual entry. The import process. Connecting your bank. The process usually involves connecting your Xero account to your online banking using secure credentials. Xero will guide you through the steps, and most banks have streamlined this process to make it as easy as possible. Reviewing and approving transactions. Once transactions are imported, Xero presents them for review and approval. You can easily review each transaction, check the matching rules, and make any necessary adjustments, like correcting categories or adding missing information. Xero even provides suggestions for matching and categorization based on your past transactions and rules. Reconciliation. After reviewing and approving transactions, you can easily reconcile your bank accounts within Xero. This ensures that your accounting records accurately reflect your bank balances and helps you identify any discrepancies. Benefits of automating bank imports. Time savings. Say goodbye to tedious manual entry. Automating bank imports frees up valuable time that you can spend on more strategic tasks, like analyzing your financial performance or planning for the future. Reduced errors. Manual entry is prone to human error, such as typos or incorrect entries. Automating the process minimizes these errors, ensuring the accuracy of your financial data. Improved cash flow visibility. Real-time data from bank feeds provides a clear and up-to-date picture of your cash flow. This allows you to make informed decisions about spending, invoicing, and managing your finances effectively. Increased efficiency. Streamlined workflows and automated processes increase overall efficiency within your accounting function. This allows you to close your books faster and gain quicker insights into your financial performance. Tips for optimizing bank imports. Keep your bank feed updated. Regularly check your bank feed connections to ensure they are active and functioning correctly. If a connection fails, troubleshoot the issue promptly to avoid data gaps. Review and update matching rules. Regularly review and update your matching rules to reflect changes in your business operations. This ensures that transactions continue to be matched and categorized accurately. Utilize Xero's features. Take full advantage of Xero's advanced features, such as bank statement imports and automated reconciliation rules, to maximize the benefits of bank imports. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated on the latest features and improvements to Xero's bank import functionality. Xero is constantly enhancing its platform, so staying informed will help you leverage the latest tools and techniques. Addressing potential challenges. Bank feed issues. Occasionally, you may encounter issues with your bank feed connections, such as connectivity problems or data synchronization errors. Xero provides troubleshooting resources and support to help you resolve these issues. Complex transactions. Some transactions, such as those involving foreign currencies or multiple accounts, may require manual adjustments or more complex matching rules. Data security. Data security is paramount. Always ensure that your bank feed connections are secure and that your sensitive financial information is protected. Xero's automated bank import functionality is a game changer for businesses of all sizes. By streamlining the transaction entry process, it saves time, reduces errors, and provides valuable insights into your financial performance. While there may be occasional challenges, the benefits of automating bank imports far outweigh the potential drawbacks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.